Dear parents and students, in this video you will learn how to install and use Campuscare app. This app is available in Play Store. Open Play Store. Search Campuscare app in Play Store. Download and install in your phone. Now open it. It will ask you to enter web portal URL of your school. You will get this URL from school. For example, I am studying in St. Mary's Convent School, Gajraula. My URL is smg.campuscare.info. Then click on Verify. Now you have chosen your school. Click on OK to continue. Then you have to enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In option. If you don't have your ID and password, then no need to worry. Click on Forgot Password option. Enter your registered mobile number. Click on Confirm. Check the details of ward and click on Confirm. Now you will get your ID and password in the message. Now enter your ID and password, which you got through the message, and do sign in. Open Campuscare app. You can see so many facilities are available in this app. You can monitor your ward's daily attendance, either he/she is in the school or bunking the school. Homework, you can check every day. Syllabus is available here. You can check fee detail of your ward. You can check the balance or submit fee online through this app. Other facilities also will be available here soon. All parents and students are requested to check this app every day. Thank you.